meteorologist Alan Seals, winner of the AMS Broadcast Meteorology Award.
It's the 10th of November, and we are still talking about a storm that started on the last day of October. That is Tropical Storm Eta. At one point a Category 4. Now it has 60-mile-an-hour winds in the southeastern Gulf of Mexico, moving northward and likely to get a bit stronger in the next day and a half. It may get close to the west coast of Florida. They have tropical storm watches there. Notice the winds projected going into Thursday, about 70 miles an hour. But once we're past Thursday, it begins to slow its forward motion, and the wind speed likely diminishes as it gets closer to the northern Gulf of Mexico. At the same time, it's likely going to shrink in size. So even though that forecast cone is big, it doesn't mean the impact is going to be big. It just means the center could be anywhere within that cone. And as we move forward in time, new data comes in, and look what the computer models are showing. They're not showing that wide spread that we saw the last couple of days. They're all generally northward. Steering winds will ease up a bit, so there's a little bit of change right in the middle of that path. But in general, most models are going north or northeast, which means we in the NBC 15 area right now are in a relatively good spot. But we'll keep watching it. Got to watch everything. There is Eta in the Gulf of Mexico and Theta in the Atlantic Ocean. Theta is a tropical storm that will continue on an eastward path, getting a little bit stronger and then weakening as it approaches Madeira and then Portugal as a remnant low pressure system. That's the one that made this the most active season on record in terms of the number of named storms. Could be another one, though. In the Caribbean, 80% likelihood that that tropical disturbance will become the next named storm. The next name on the list is Iota. There are more names on the list. Hopefully, we're not going to get to any of them, but the way this season has gone, you've got to keep up. Here's what we have in the short term, though. Some isolated showers, and few folks were lucky enough to catch a rainbow today. If you didn't see one today, you have opportunities for tomorrow. Because of that high humidity, though, temperatures tonight, 70 and above, very muggy and sticky. And then for tomorrow, another warm day. Notice rain at any point, not very much or widespread, but isolated showers, maybe a thunderstorm. Temperatures will top 80. In fact, today in Pensacola, you reached 84. You set a record high. Previous record was 82. That's 9 o'clock in the morning. Isolated showers inland toward mid-afternoon. Same story. And even as we move through tomorrow evening, there could be a shower here or there. So at any given point, it's not going to be a lot of rain. Thursday, though, starts with clouds, and look at that. The sky will brighten. Here's your 7-day tracker. So tomorrow, Veterans Day, will be our wettest day of the week. And then after that, just really small chances of wet weather. And if Eta shrinks away over the weekend, those chances go lower too.